Hi all, welcome back to the channel. So today we are gonna discuss on how to do a slow motion video using Adobe Premiere Pro. So this is a video of a car starting and it's just moving. So this is how it looks in normal motion. So for this video I am doing a slow motion. So for doing the slow motion, just right click, then click on the speed and durations. Then now its speed is 100%, so I am making it 40%. Hit and enter and just play the video. So video has become slow. Video has slowed down, but the problem is like the video is now framed up, looking like motion of multiple frames, so it's not smooth. So to make it smooth, I am again going to speed and speed durations, and then over here time interpolation. I am clicking over here and clicking optical flow and press enter. Now it's take some 2 seconds and then press the play. Take time to render. So now the video has become even smoother. Let's go for sound. Okay. Then now let's try to make this video in reverse. So to make it in reverse, again go to speed and directions over here and just click over here, reverse speed. Press and OK. Now the entire video is reversed. Let's check. So the video is reversed. So if you want to increase the speed of the video, then keep it some 150 or something, then play it. It will be too fast. So this is how we can increase the speed of a video, increase or decrease the speed of a video. Decreasing will help us make to put into slow motion. So that's for today. And to render this one, just the shortcut is Ctrl+M, and the rendering appears, and here you can render the video out. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.